This is Fergus Club Waterpark. Located in the heart of Magaluf, this hotel has a water park right at the centre of it. This is a pretty big complex. Fergus Club is split into 3 distinct wings, each offering something slightly different. Head into the reception and turn right, and you'll find the main restaurant and family pool. The main restaurant is buffet style and has a wide range of food for all palate types. The pool is great for kids with some splash features and a giant water pillow. You'll also find the mini club over here, as well as a games room packed with all sorts of different consoles for slightly older kids. If you head left at the reception, then you will find the Magnus rooms. These are a premium room type which come with a PS5 in the room, and they also have access to the Magnus restaurant, which is located on the left side of the hotel. There's a pool here too, which is more geared towards adults with barley beds available for rent. In the centre of the hotel is the water park. It's got 5 different slides ranging from tame to seriously thrilling. This giant yellow one is not for the faint-hearted. Board is bed and breakfast, or you can upgrade to all-inclusive. No matter what room type you choose, you'll have a balcony and plenty of space for your stay. One of the perks of staying at Fergus Club Waterpark is that you'll get free entry to the Son Amar Ohala show, an acrobatics and dance show set in a mystical land, with heroes and villains and all that good stuff. Stays at Fergus Club Waterpark start from £900 per person for a 7-night all-inclusive package holiday. This video is part of a series about hotels in Mallorca. Click the screen to see another one. Subscribe to the easyJet Holidays channel for more hotel guides just like this one.